Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. With most of us stuck indoors over the last couple of months, we've been eating more food than maybe we normally do. Most of this food has also tended to be more fried food or sweet food. While I have covered the topic of fried food and your health in another video, which is linked in the description below, in today's video, I'll be discovering the top 3 reasons that you sometimes may be craving sweet food. Firstly, let's understand. Sugar, just like roti, rice and pasta, is also a carbohydrate. And carbs are your body's most instant source of energy. Have you ever been hospitalized or have you know someone who's ever been hospitalized? What do they pump through your body when they start an IV? Glucose, which is just the scientific name for sugar. They do this because this is the easiest source of energy for your body and your body can use this to quickly recover. Now, keeping this in mind, let's quickly get into the top 3 reasons why you may be craving sweet food. Number 1, not eating enough food. If you've been on a diet that makes you majorly restrict calories, you may crave sweet food. If your body doesn't have energy to do all the various functions that it needs to do, it's going to send you signals in the form of a sweet craving so that you eat this food which your body can instantly use to generate energy. Think about it. When you are hungry, you will almost always crave a carb-rich food like bread or something sweet. This is your body's inbuilt defense mechanism to keep you alive and healthy. 2. Restricting the intake of carbohydrates. If you've ever gone on a diet where you've restricted bread, you've restricted rice, you've stopped eating sugar in an attempt to lose weight, this can actually backfire on you because like I mentioned before, these are all immediate sources of energy for your body. Now do remember, your body can make energy from protein, it can do so from fat, it can even make energy from alcohol, but it's really hard for your body to do so. And when you stop eating carbs, there's also a whole bunch of other nutrients that you're missing out on, like fiber, B vitamins and magnesium, to name a few. When you don't get these vitamins, which are so essential for your body to function, your body makes you crave foods which are rich in these nutrients. Number 3, using sweets as treats. A lot of us consider sweet food as a cheat meal or a treat food, and we feel that once we start eating the sweet, we will never stop. Forbidden fruit is the sweetest, right? However, if you let yourself eat your choice of sweet whenever you feel like, you won't crave it anymore and you won't need it in the large quantities that you probably currently eat it in. Think about it. Do you ever crave roti sabzi? You probably eat it every day of your life and there's no novelty left in it anymore. But if you go on a vacation and you don't get that for a couple of meals, you can develop a craving for even roti sabzi. Chances are, if you eat your sweet whenever you feel like it, you will be satisfied in a much smaller portion, which will have no ill effect on your health. The idea is to remove the novelty aspect from the food and treat it like any other food. When your body gives you specific food or hunger-related signs or symptoms, it is an indication that something that you're doing in your diet is excessive or lacking. Now, this can happen sometimes and that's okay, but if it happens too often, something might be wrong. You can reach out to me and I can help you figure it out. My email ID is mentioned at the end of this video and is also mentioned in the description below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. If you did, please like the video and share it with other people who may find it interesting. You can leave any questions or concerns you have in the comments below. In next week's video, I'm going to be covering how to eat a sweet or a treat without it backfiring on your health. So do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it. I hope to see you very soon. Until then, Take care and keep shining.